everyone. Welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. Those of you that follow me know that every year I put up my baking themed Christmas tree. And for many, many years I've been collecting ornaments. So each year I try to collect a few more. Well, I think I finally have the tree completely filled up because I couldn't even put a couple of them on this year. I had no room. So anyway, I'm going to give you a little preview of my tree. Some of the new ornaments I bought this year were, I bought a cup or a glass of iced coffee because I drink iced coffee every day. I bought some Oreos, and I bought some cookies that are adorable. Some of them have M&Ms on them and all. I think those were my new ones. Last year, I was, in my glory because I found cannolis for my tree. So anyway, without further ado, I'm going to give you a preview of my Christmas tree that we just put up. I'll try to zoom in on some of my ornaments, and wait till you see the topper. I just love it, and I hope you will too. So I'll try to film a little bit more of the tree tonight when the lights are on, so you can see it then. But I just wanted to give you a little view of my baking themed Christmas tree. I'm in my living room now. Here's my coffee table. I had to close the blinds because it's very sunny out today and the sun was shining on my tree. I picked this up this past year. Let me see if I can zoom in on it. Look at that. It's Santa holding the baby Jesus. Isn't that nice? And I'm going to zoom over here. And here I have Santa standing by the tree. And let me try to swing around this way. Here's my gingerbread boy and girl at the base of the tree with a little lantern. And here is my snow-flocked, baking-themed Christmas tree. Oh, and look at the topper. It's a big lollipop. Oh my goodness. So anyway, I'm going to swing back here. I'm in the living room. And I'm going to show you some of the ornaments on my baking-themed tree. I've been collecting them for years and years. I have quite a few now. So let's start on the top. There's a chocolate-covered pretzel. There's my topper. And here's some ribbon candy. And I love iced coffee. So I found this past summer when I was on vacation. It's a glass of iced coffee, and next to it's a rolling pin. And I love these little baking sheets. This one has donuts on it. And there's another cookie up there. This is one of my favorites. Look at this. My stick of butter. You have to have butter to bake. My grandkids were like, Grandma, why do you have butter on the tree? And here's a cookie. I got this past summer too. And of course, I love Betty Boop. And there's Betty Boop holding a big cupcake. And look at that cupcake. Here's another one. And there's another stick of butter. And here's a few more sugar cookies. Here's one over here. And there's a gingerbread house down here. This I put on here because I love it. It says, what happens at Grandma's stays at Grandma's. And here's a little box of gingerbread cookies. And here's another cupcake. And down here is a chef's hat with some kitchen utensils. Oh, look at this one. Chocolate-covered strawberry. And a macaron down here. And look at this, my KitchenAid mixer. Here's a gingerbread boy. I'm going to try to step back a little bit so you can see them better. This is a chocolate-covered pretzel. And here I have Santa holding a cupcake. And I got this past summer. This was a new one. It's a brownie. And here's a little mouse. And he's holding a cake. And my girlfriend Kathy gave me this a few years ago. It's a little Hallmark ornament. It's a little cupcake with holly on the top. There's a white frosted donut. Oh, and this I found, it was either last year or the year before. Check it out. A cannoli. When I saw this, I almost died. I bought a few of them. And up here is a whisk. And we'll move around this way. Here's a little some more. And another cupcake. The tree is really full. There's another gingerbread boy. Look at this cupcake. Isn't this awesome? And here is a plate with a slice of cake on it. And here's Santa. It says Santa Claus Coffee. And he's got a coffee mug. And this one says Cupcake Queen. And it's a mixing bowls. And I love these baking sheets. Look at this with all the cookies on it. And look at this. It's a cake sickle. You see that one? And I'm going to move around here. Oh, there's another stick of butter up there. I'm trying to get onto the side. There's an ice cream cone. This one here is cookbooks. And there's a cake pop. Oh, my daughter gave me this 2 years ago. It says 2020. It's the Santa with the mask when we started the pandemic. And here's one that happens to say Grandma. I just love these cookie sheets. Look at them. And down here is another mixer. Look at that. And here is a gingerbread boy holding a cupcake and some lights. And this, a subscriber made for me. Let me turn it around. It's a fairy. Oops, and she's holding, you can't really see, a little cupcake. And there's some more cupcakes down there. There's another macaron here. Oh, and here is a gumdrop. And here's another little gingerbread house. And look at this one. I got this one this year. It's a cookie with M&Ms. And here's some more. Look at that. Looks real. Looks good enough to eat. Here's another cookie sheet. And look at this one. Oh yeah, isn't this awesome? It's a cup of coffee. Look at that. Yeah. Down here is another different type of an M&M cookie. I'm trying to reach down here so you can see. Let me move this one out of the way. And this one says baked with love. And here's another cake pop. And down here is Santa with a donut. And oh look, way down here is a little chef dog. Isn't that cute? Let me move that. There's another little gingerbread down there. And another chocolate dipped pretzel. I have so many. There's another pink gumdrop. Oh, what's hiding in here? Oh, this says the perfect blend. And it's a cup of coffee with a bite out of the donut. Look at that pie. Oh yeah. Isn't that awesome? Look at that. That's a big one. Whoops, I'm trying to turn it. My pie. And here is a cookie cutter. Gingerbread boy cookie cutter. And look at this. Look at this piece of cake. Oh yeah. And here is Santa looking in the refrigerator. This is an older one. And it says on the door, cold milk and cookies for Santa. And these are my favorite. I have many of these. When I saw them, I almost died. A cannoli, my favorite. And this is a brownie. I picked this up when we were on vacation last year. And here's a little mouse. He's holding some kind of a dessert. There's another frosted donut in there. Let me move down here. Oh, did I show you this? I can't even remember. Here's the little chef dog down here. And here's Santa with a big donut. Oh, there's so many here. They're all hidden in the branches. Let me move over this way. There's a whisk. Right there's a whisk. And there's my iced coffee that I got this past summer. I'm kind of losing track of what I'm showing you. Here's Santa holding a cupcake. And here is another fancy some more. And look at this cupcake. Isn't that awesome? And this one too. Let me try to turn it so you can see it. There's ribbon candy on the top. There's another sheet of cookies. There's another cookie, sugar cookie. And Betty Boop, I love Betty Boop, holding her cupcake. And these are some more sugar cookies over here. Look at these. And this is a little gingerbread house. Down here is a chef's hat with some baking utensils. And look at this chocolate-covered strawberry. Oh, yeah. Another macaron. And my favorite, the KitchenAid mixer. Look at these. Oh, and here, this is an awesome gingerbread cookie. It almost looks real. And down here is a cookie cutter with the gingerbread. That looks like a gingerbread, well, yeah, a little gingerbread boy. There's a slice of cake. Look at that cupcake down there, and there's a gumdrop. And this is cute. This one says the perfect blend, and it's a cup of coffee with a bite out of a donut. And there's tons and tons of cupcakes on the tree. There's another sugar cookie on top. I'm just trying to go around. There was some of them I didn't even put on the tree this year because I had collected so many. I couldn't believe it. Oh, those cannolis I just love, 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 love. Yes, I'm trying to see what I didn't show you. Did I show you this one? This says baked with love. I'm kind of trying to move around here. There's another cake sickle and another chocolate-covered strawberry. This is a Hershey Kiss that my daughter gave me quite a few years ago when they went to Hershey. And here's another cookie sheet. Oh, I'm sure I missed something, but oh, look at this one. This is a cake in a little pedestal, like a glass pedestal. Here's another gingerbread house, another gumdrop. Lots of sugar cookies on the tree. Here's some more cupcakes over here and here. Oh, so cute. Let me move this one around. So I just absolutely love this tree. Trust me. Oh, up here, did I show you this? These are cookbooks. It's an ornament with cookbooks on it. Let me see if I can turn it. Yeah, and there's another stick of butter. And another, oh, up top there is cotton candy. Can you see it? The pink cotton candy right there. And there's an ice cream cone. More gingerbread. Oh, this one I bought this year. This is a stack of Oreo cookies. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And here's a little, some more snowman. Yep, my pie. Oh, here's, did I show you this? The rolling pin over here. It's a wooden rolling pin. Yes, there's so many. I love that chocolate-covered pretzel up there on the top. Yes, so I just absolutely love my tree. Like I say, there's a few I didn't put on, and there's a few I'm probably missing that you're not going to see. But let me back up a little bit. These are cute. These little cake pops over here. Oh, yeah. And then the gingerbread boy and girl are down here. So let me just move the camera up so you can get a better look. It's snow flocked, and there was no need to put any garland on it this year because there's just so many ornaments that I really didn't need to. I love that ribbon candy up there too. The red and white ribbon, blah, blah, blah. The red and white ribbon candy. So that is my baking themed Christmas tree that I love. And like I said, for many years I've been collecting these ornaments. I don't know, it may have to come to a stop because I'm running out of room. So I hope you enjoyed that. I enjoyed decorating it. And over here is a gingerbread house, but I had to close the blinds because the sun is shining in the window. There's Santa overseeing everything. And here's this gingerbread house that lights up. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to try to move, there you go, to a different angle. And here's another Santa over here. It's hard with the sun. This is in my living room. And I have three. I'll walk around the other way. This is one of those giant ornaments that lights up. It's on a timer. I just love this. As you can see, I like glitter. And this is some glittery Christmas trees and the deer. Let me see if I can move over here. I have quite a few life-size Santas. This one I love. This is my baking Santa. Let me zoom in. Look it. He's holding a piping bag. And a gingerbread boy has an apron on with a rolling pin and a whisk in it that says cookies. trying to get it for you without the sun shining in. There's a little Santa over here. And I took my pictures off of this, and I put our manger here. And we hide the baby Jesus, and every year on Christmas, we put the baby Jesus in the cradle. And here's a poinsettia I put here. I'm going to try to swing up above the area between my living room and dining room. I put poinsettias on it, if you can see that, and hung an ornament in the middle. And I have to show you my lamp, so hold on a minute. This is my chandelier in the dining room. It's like a wrought iron basket with all lights around it, and I keep different things in that basket throughout the year. Mostly I have like artificial fruits and vegetables, but at Christmas, hopefully you can see that, we take them all out and put the glass ornaments in there. It is so awesome. And for Easter, we've been known to fill it up with all different color plastic eggs. So that's the chandelier in my dining room. And going up the stairs, I have everybody's stocking. They all have their initials on them. That's going up my stairs. There's some family pictures there. Going up the stairs, there's a little landing, so I put a few of my Santas up there. I have some I haven't even put out yet. I've been trying to simplify a little this year because, you know, what goes up must come down, and it's a lot of work. And of course, there's mistletoe leading from the entryway into the kitchen. Sun's going down, starting to get dark, so I wanted to film this with the lights on. So pretty. Look at that. Pretty, pretty. Merry Christmas, everyone. Ho, ho, ho.
Honey, look, your advent calendar. Here, wait, let's come over here. Your advent calendar. Let's open it. Day 2. Oh, look it. It's day 2. What did you get? What did Santa bring you? Let's see. Hold on. What is this? Oh, look. For Brownie, she got peanut butter with bacon wrapped around it. You want this? Okay, here. Oh, you're sliding. Good girl. All right, Brownie. She likes it. Look at her. Oh, it must taste good. This is the Advent Calendar for Dogs, day 2. Good job, Brownie. Tomorrow you can have another one. What do they have in them? Chicken soft bites, biscuits, chicken jerky, and peanut butter flavored biscuits with chicken. Yum, yum. Okay, good girl. Well, I hope you enjoyed the little snippets of my Christmas tree. I have so much fun every year collecting those little ornaments. I'm like a little kid in a candy store. I get so excited. I'm like, oh, look, Oreos. And the year I found the cannolis, I couldn't believe it. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you all for taking time out of your busy schedule to watch me and to see my baking themed tree. And if you liked it and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. So, I love you all. Take care. See you soon. Toodles!